So hello everyone and welcome to a very short and brief video. I have finally, as some people have commented, hopefully addressed the wind noise on the GoPro. I've now got a wind slayer, and I've then also seen a video that I'll link below where someone said about putting like kitchen sponge over the microphones on the case underneath with a bit of tape. So we're going to take a ride down to the main seafront and hopefully meet up with some people, and we'll see if the wind slayer does indeed improve the noise, and hopefully you'll be able to hear the exhaust a lot more. So yeah, let's get going. Right, let's turn around.